Mr. Herkamal Singh and Mr. Harsimrat Singh from Sutlej. Welcome to the.
It's our pleasure. Thank you.
First of all, congratulate you on the new product.
Thank you.
It's a great product, looking nice. Can you start with the importance in terms of features and safety and other technology?
So, if I'll talk about our product, actually we launched this product specially for commemoration of our 50 years. So, Sutlej Motors has completed 50 years, and in celebration we have launched this special edition S-2000 Prime. And we have worked really hard to bring maximum value addition into this and bring a product which has like maximum features amongst the sector. And if I list down some features to you, it has extra luggage space in the belly dicky, and we have done that keeping in mind the AIS 153 certification and the passenger comfort as well. We have not changed the height or anything. Exterior height is same, 4 meters, but we have improved our structure itself so that the benefit can go to the transporter and to the passengers. And in terms of the features which are coming, my fellow director will tell you.
It is
So
like
it's a great challenge
Yeah.
to increase the space without increasing the height.
Exactly.
And then complying with the AIS 153.
153.
So how did you do this?
it is like it is in our blood only, like our father and our uncle. They somehow managed to do that with the new thing that they have won. So, apart from increasing the overall height and decreasing the passenger compartment height, we have increased the 4 inches height in the belly dicky only. That is a great achievement that we have achieved for this now. Yeah, and in terms of features, so this bus is loaded with the 360-degree cameras. This is the first in business now. So it has a very good view of 360. Like if driver is driving in the very rushy area, so it helps to see through all the sides, and he can commute easily through that traffic.
It has a very unique feature. The driver will get continuous feed of 4 cameras throughout, and whenever he turns whichever way, right or left, that camera will automatically enlarge on the screen. The driver doesn't need to do anything. He just need to concentrate on driving. So this helps a lot, especially in a longer bus, 13.5 meters. Otherwise, even the experienced driver somehow managed to hit the rear end. So with 360 camera, this feature comes in S-Class or it comes in BMW.
That is what.
And talking about that, it has a very unique feature as well, because these buses are for long travel haul. And we have specially given a very unique thing, which is a vanity mirror for each berth. So you press a button, the mirror pops down. It has an inbuilt light as well. So you can just see yourself.
Every passenger needs, if he is doing a overnight journey, the first time he wants to look at the mirror in the yes, when he wakes up in the morning. So that is a unique feature that we have given. So rest, I think no other OEMs or manufacturers have thought about it. So to give that mirror in this process.
It is fantastic because that is going to reduce the driver fatigue so that he can be alert and he can be at ease.
Yes.
Something like a pilot, no?
Exactly.
He is a pilot actually. So, any particular safety features that you have introduced in this bus?
So in terms of passenger safety, if I talk about, this is completely ABS bus, and that is even from a screw or a foam or a fabric to any material, everything is FR material. Each berth has a emergency hammer, which is a retractable one. Then it has 4 emergency exits. We have specially made a glass emergency exit on the roof for these buses. But the other option is also there. If you want a complete solid one, that is also there, detachable, movable one. Then the panic buttons are there on each berth. So the mattresses are also sleep well mattress, and they have pest control as well. So for transporter also it is good, and for passenger comfort also very nice. Plus the backrests are also memory foam. So they also provide extra comfort, and they are also very wide. They have kept in mind, we have actually designed it on the basis of luxury cars, so that the back is completely supported.
You have provided an independent pillow.
Exactly.
Which is, very useful for the passengers because the integrated pillow always it's a pain. You can't sit.
Yeah, you can't sit.
Here they can relax.
They can relax with the separate pillows.
In terms of passengers comfort, the passenger also get individual 2-pin charger, USB charger, C-pin charger. It's not between the two passengers. You get on your side itself, on the gangway side, in the side panel.
So independently they can do whatever they want.
Exactly.
That's very interesting. And another aspect that I wanted to ask you is about the manufacturing. So I was actually listening to somebody in the phone. They wanted to reduce the time to delivery. No, I don't know. Yesterday I saw
Yeah.
customers are curious about getting the shorter. So you are an established player, 50 years long. So how are you planning to squeeze in the delivery time so that the customer is also happy and then he can start earning faster?
So like in this way, like we used to ask them go for a planning only. So if any customers comes to us, we don't say that okay we'll take the order. It is not like that. So we'll planning and we'll give a slot to them. Okay, after this much days you can send us the chassis. So after receiving the chassis, we can deliver them within 40 days. So 40 days margin is like they have a moratorium period of 2 months. So the owner of the bus is also happy. The EMI burden is not on that straight away. So he used to start earning in, then only he can do that EMIs. So that is what we are focusing about.
Plus, adding into that, we have dummy chassis ready for Leyland, Bharat Benz, Volvo, Eicher, every OEM. So we can complete the shell without the chassis availability, and we have done it n number of times. Even now also, within 25 days we have sent the buses completed. So we make the structure and the shell, then we put it on the chassis. Because since long, because of our forefathers and fathers, we have been making them in a jig only, and we don't make the structure on the chassis. So first we assemble the structure, it is completed with the roof, sides, front, back and the floor. Then it can be put on the chassis.
Even
So
the
in terms
chassis,
of
even the chassis is not available with us of the
Yeah.
customer. We can do the work till painting. After that, the customer can save up to 25 more days. So then we can deliver them to them in 15 days. So this particular bus, as you seeing, we have made it in 18 days.
Fantastic. So you must have standardized certain parts, no? So that that will also work for your economies of scale. And
Exactly.
also catering to that.
Exactly.
Fantastic. So why Prawaas? Why did you choose Prawaas to launch this bus?
So we have, always been big fan of Mr. Prasanna's leadership and what Prawaas is, able to do for the sector. It is like a platform where all the stakeholders can come together. They can brainstorm, discuss on things, and you get a very good platform to interact with your customers.
I'm seeing that.
Yeah, so it's like B2B, and even after that, they are able to understand what are the difficulties, because in the market now a lot of that, it's like a very slippery slope because of this fire incidences which are happening. So Boki and Prawaas is also taking that forward. They are in talks with ministry people, with certification agencies, with the ARI, ICAT, that how come that these fire incidents were not so many in the 12 meters and they are more in 13.5 meters, even though the terms are more stricter, the safety norms are more, but fire incidents are also more. So we need to work on it whole as a sector so that there is improvement for everyone. So it's not only the fault of bodybuilders, because the catalytic converter and the BS6 components, when the regeneration happens, it becomes like burning red hot. So that is like a very major factor. But other things are also there. So we are moving in a right direction, and Boki is also taking everyone along. So that's why we decided it's a good platform to move forward.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Really appreciate it.
Thanks.